Hello guys, this is Azim and today we are going to take a look on this latest GTX 1660Ti graphic card from Zotac. It is a mid-range graphic card and came out recently as a successor to GTX 1060Ti, which was already a powerful graphic card. In today's video, we are going to unbox and see what we are getting for around 28,000 price bracket. If you want to buy one, link for that will be in the description below. Do check that out for buying it. For now, let's not further ado and start with the video. As you'll open the box, the first thing you'll see the paperwork for this graphic card. Keeping that aside, and the last thing in the box is the graphic card itself. The graphic card is small in size and should fit in every size of system without any issue. As the Zotac claim, it can fit in 99% of the system. They are claiming it right. Talking about the paperwork, we have a pamphlet which shows Mac builds from Zotac. Then we have our installation guide, and the last we have a warning paper which tells us that always keep your graphic drivers up to date. The last thing is a Zotac sticker which you can stick onto your system. So that's all you'll get if you'll buy this graphic card from the box. There is no driver CD within the box. You need to download the drivers from the Zotac website. We're talking about the physical aspect. At the top we have 8-pin connector with large exhaust pipe visible from the shell with a plastic cover at the top with the Zotac and Geforce branding onto it. At the bottom we have the pipes and going through aluminum fins. At the back we have 3 display port and 1 HDMI port for connectivity. And over the front you can see an aluminum fins for heat dissipation, which is large in size but good for this kind of memory and this kind of a processor. Talking about the specification, it has 1536 keyboard cores with a video memory of 6 GB, which is the latest GDDR6. Clock speed is at 1770 MHz. Power supply recommendation for this graphic card is 450 watt and the power consumption of this graphic card is around 120 watts. So that was a quick look at Geforce GTX 1660Ti. I must say, this card is really promising onto the paper with its new and strong hardware. I will definitely post a video after an extended usage of this card and will also post gaming videos on the channel, so stay tuned for that as well. For now, subscribe to the channel and do like and share the video. Once again, link for buying it is in the description below. Do check that out and help my channel to grow. For now, this is Azim. See you until next one. Peace.